Ang weird 'no? Habang tumatanda tayo, parang feeling natin may invisible timeline na dapat sinusunod. By this age, dapat may ipon ka na. By this age, dapat successful ka na. By this age, dapat alam mo na yung ginagawa mo. Tapos, mag-scroll ka online at parang lahat may momentum. May bagong trabaho, may bagong business, may bagong milestone. And minsan, mapapaisip ka rin kung may mali ba sa'yo. Pero, the older I get, the more I realize na iba-iba talaga tayo ng timing. Iba-iba tayo ng responsibilities at iba-iba tayo ng circumstances. Kaya siguro sobrang unfair din ikumpara yung buhay mo sa ibang tao na completely different naman yung situation. Maybe that's why comparing timelines rarely helps. You're looking at somebody else's chapter habang sinusubukan mo pa lang intindihin yung sarili mong story.